Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be showing you our new pop guns. So we got this pop gun. It is small and orange. What are you doing, man? I'm trying to make a video.
That is a naked David!
Oh my gosh, he has turned a great Bible hero into something bad.
Sorry.
Okay, so we got this tiny orange pop gun.
I'm trying to get
So you pull this little red lever right here, and you can spin.
Now it's, yeah,
Just take
thank
out.
you ever.
And you got little pop thingies in here.
I need
So
to.
then we got,
We have to be really close because this camera is not a good view of everybody.
and then we got this.
Weird gun.
We're not that close. Here, I can just turn it this way.
Yes! Thank you.
So we got this one, but this isn't pop gun. I don't know why I'm showing it to you guys. Pew, 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 pew. So
Then
that
got
is
a
not
rifle.
that is not going to be included, but this is a sawed-off rifle. The other piece is over here, but we don't want to use it. We're not gonna do it yet. We're gonna gather all these things up.
Why is this always? I'm gonna say something backwards right
Hey, it's gonna be on YouTube, dude. We're all
know.
little kids live. We don't want to say any profounded words. Not that we ever would, because we wouldn't.
now. That sounds weird. It makes no sense.
Now we got.
Look at the middle. I just took it out.
Then put it back in. Okay, so we got this rifle as I just showed you, and we got this little other one.
Plastic.
Which this one is horrible. Like
It's plastic.
no, it's bad. Like whenever you shoot it,
It
bad.
doesn't even make a pop sound.
It doesn't actually. Honestly, doesn't.
Then we got. Look, this is loaded.
Then we got the Haunted. No, but it doesn't. But then we got the one and only classic metal. I can there. Classic metal, orange tipped pop gun. That is very accurate and good. Anyway, so we're gonna load them up now and see which one's the loudest. We already know which one's the loudest because we've tested these.
Oh, wow. Gunpowder in my face. That's bad.
The smoke.
Smoke.
I haven't even shooted them yet.
Shooting them yet.
I got this, bro.
Okay, man.
Okay. Okay. I think this one's automatically disqualified because it is horrible. So yeet.
Let's just hear it pop at least. Okay.
I just threw it. You're gonna make me go get it?
Sure, go fetch, buddy.
Here, you only need one. Okay. We only need one. Put the other one back.
Fight me. Fear me. Put the other half on. It looks so much cooler.
Nah, it doesn't.
It looks so much more safe.
I think that one looks better.
Hold on, one of the. Oh, this is a bad video.
It's actually very unplanned and unorganized. That's what makes it funny.
Yay!
Ah, dude, I'm trying to sit down. I'm trying to sit down.
And I'm trying to get this.
Are you crying? Fine.
I'm not.
So then we got this one. Yeah. But okay, so are all of them ready and loaded?
No.
Bruh! Square up! Hurry up, dude!
I'm trying. This
You know what? My hair is not agreeing with me right now. Oh. Fixed all of lace problem. Okay, where is the
I wonder if this will shoot.
gosh! Scared the mid brownies out of me!
Same with me.
Okay, hold on. This one, oh crap.
Yeah, that better.
Then this one goes like, and then this one is just like, hold on, stop, you're wasting them.
That.
Okay, we got one. Okay, where's it? No, dude, don't shoot it. Where's the other silver one?
Right there.
Okay, then we got this one. It's not as loud. Breath. Yay!
Oh, fine. Oh!
actually hit me in the neck and it hurt really bad.
You got me.
Yay!
Hold up. Let me build this.
Yay! Fish spinner. Yay! Yay! Flipping. Knife. Almost cut his face off. Yay!
We are very dangerous boys, okay? So don't do anything that we have done today.
Except shoot your pop guns. But don't shoot them like this close to your face. Like this close to your face.
Or else it will...
Fly out onto your lip and then you can't feel your face for a month.
Then
I'm
I'm
not
the head.
exaggerating. Bro! That was so cool. Wow! This is dangerous.
We are very dangerous.
Good thing it's only 5 and up. Did you reload that?
Yeah, I just found one right here. Ooh, wow, that smells good. You guys want to smell it?
Yeah, this isn't for children 3 and under, so you can't play with this.
Really, bro? I'm sorry, I already have.
Oh, no, just kidding.
That was loud.
That was loud.
That hurt. I'm deaf now.
What?
Okay,
Okay,
what was that
so-
mean?
make sure to subscribe, leave a like,
Hit that bell.
yeah, and subscribe for more videos, as I already said.
Wow.
I want to see if you can guys, I will see if you guys can get this video to at least 2 likes. Because I'm not that popular and I can barely even get one, so. Are you just rage quitting on me?
I'm nice.
See ya in the next video. Hurry up and pause it, dude.